Hi there, I am Cynthia Gill, and I have the pleasure of bringing you the 6 personal perspectives written by the amazing Gary Keller. Years ago, when Gary was creating our educational platform, he researched top producing agents and business owners outside of our industry and determined that there were 6 things that everyone had in common. And that was the birth of 6 personal perspectives, starting with committing to self mastery and ending with holding ourselves accountable. Throughout the day, we'll be discussing some fundamental pieces that'll help you to create amazing changes in your business and in your life. And so, let me ask you a few questions. Have you ever spent the day being super busy or very chaotic, and at the end of the day, saying to yourself, what did I accomplish today? What can I show for all the work that I did today? Or what did I do that moved my business forward? If so, you're like a lot of agents. And that's one of the reasons that I'm hoping to see you for this class coming very soon. You may have times where you can't sleep at night, or there are things that are keeping you up at night. And so, if you're having some of these difficulties, this is another reason that you'll want to join us for 6 personal perspectives. This course will help you if you're hitting a ceiling in your business and not quite sure what steps you need to take in order to move your business forward. I promise that we'll build a great foundation for each of these 6 principles. We'll do some collaborating, some sharing, and I promise you'll learn a lot. So I'm really excited, and I'm hoping to see you all very soon. Thank you so much. You will be getting an email with a little bit of homework. I want you to watch a TED Talk. It's about 4 minutes long, and that'll help you prepare for class. And if you need anything, feel free to reach out. Again, my name is Cynthia Gill with Florida Educational Services, KWU Certified Trainer, and I look forward to seeing y'all very soon. Thanks again.